Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure essential components are ready. Codecs and system update speed playback and prevent errors. Once done, find the file or connect the disk/USB drive so the player can detect media. Open the player app directly rather than double-clicking if you want specific settings. You will see menus for File, Open, or Media. Use Open File to target a single file or Open Folder for playlists. This first step gets you into playback mode quickly and reliably. Now configure playback so you have the best experience. Choose the proper audio output device and set volume to avoid clipping. Next, enable subtitles and select the correct audio track if the file includes multiple languages because that affects comprehension. Use playback speed for lectures or slow motion for details and arrange files into a playlist to avoid interruptions. If available, tweak the equalizer for clearer sound. These adjustments ensure the media matches your environment. Finish by mastering advanced controls. Use the seek bar and chapter list to jump precisely and try frame by frame for exact moments. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled to offload decoding to the GPU. This reduces CPU load and prevents stutter. If playback stalls, increase the buffer size or switch the output module. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, update graphics/audio drivers, verify codecs, and test the media file on another player to isolate whether the file or system is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.